Ever wondered what a debit card is or how it differs from a credit card? Well, let's dive right in. A debit card, also known as a bank card, is a card that allows you to make transactions directly from your bank account. Think of it as an electronic check. When you use a debit card, the money is immediately deducted from your account. It's like paying with cash, but more convenient. Now let's talk about credit cards. A credit card, on the other hand, allows you to borrow money from the card issuer up to a certain limit to make purchases or even get cash advances. You then pay back the money you've borrowed at a later date, often with interest. It's like taking a mini loan every time you swipe. So now you know what a debit card is, but how does it compare to a credit card? Stay tuned to find out. Now that we've established what a debit card is, let's dive into how it differs from a credit card. Imagine your debit card as a digital extension of your wallet. When you make a purchase, the funds are directly pulled from your bank account. It's like paying with cash, but without the hassle of carrying around a bulky wallet. However, debit cards come with one major disadvantage. They don't impact your credit score. This means that responsible usage won't help you build credit history. On the flip side, a credit card is like a mini loan from your bank. Every time you swipe, you're borrowing money with the promise to pay it back. The catch? If you don't pay back the full balance by the due date, interest is charged on the remaining amount. The silver lining is that responsible usage can help you build a strong credit score. Now let's talk about fees. Debit cards usually have fewer fees compared to credit cards. You might encounter overdraft fees if you spend more than what's in your account, but that's usually it. Credit cards, however, can come with annual fees, late payment fees, and interest charges. Each card type has its own benefits and drawbacks. Debit cards offer easy budgeting and less risk of debt, while credit cards provide the opportunity to build credit and earn rewards. As you can see, while they might look similar, debit and credit cards function quite differently. So, to sum it up, let's recap the key differences between a debit and credit card. Debit cards pull funds directly from your bank account, while credit cards borrow money from the card issuer up to a certain limit. Debit cards require you to have the necessary funds in your account, whereas credit cards allow you to borrow now and pay later, potentially accruing interest. Knowing these differences can help you make informed decisions about which card to use and when. Remember, knowledge